back to my channel. I just got my nails done today. Do you guys like them? I have not been able to find a good nail salon here in Colorado in so long, but I finally found one and it's my go-to. Thanks to Maria. Thanks, girl. I'll put the name of the nail salon in the description if you guys are interested. If you live in Colorado and you're looking for a good nail salon. Welcome to today's video. It's just gonna be a super quick, chill, easy video because I just went grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. Maria went with me. We spent the whole day together. We got our nails done. We went to the mall and we just kind of like had a day. So we went grocery shopping and she recommended some things from Trader Joe's and I was like, you know, I really love watching seeing what other people bought at the grocery store. I was like, why don't I show you guys really quickly, make a quick 10-minute video of my Trader Joe's grocery haul for you guys. Plus, this isn't from Trader Joe's, but it is my favorite chip dip. And if you've never tried the French onion chip dip, you guys, it's life-changing. And I do have my own reusable bags, but I actually wasn't planning on going to Trader Joe's with Maria, so I didn't have them with me, but whatever. These are still good for me because I like to use these paper bags for recycling, my recycle stuff, whatever. Let's get into what I got. First thing I got are these chocolate covered strawberries. I love strawberries, and if they're chocolate covered, even better. I f with it. Then I like to get their frozen pastas because they are so filling. You can add, I like to just add some chicken to this or broccoli or something. It's super easy to add that stuff. So I just like to add some stuff like that to it. And you can put them in the microwave. These are great for like a quick lunch or dinner. I got the fettuccine Alfredo, and then I got this one today because Maria told me to get it. I'm not gonna try and say it, but this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty excited to try it. And then I just got a broccoli and cheddar quiche. I haven't really ever been big on quiches, but I was like, why not just try it? And if I like it, this is also something that's super easy to do for a lunch or a quick dinner when I come home or something. And then I got these per Maria's recommendations. She said these are really good to just throw into your ramen with like an egg or something. So, you know, just looking for more ways to kind of spice up my ramen. Yeah. And then I got this shawarma chicken thighs, and I got this to make like a shawarma, I don't know. Go look at the Trader Joe's TikTok page, you'll see. But that's why I got that, also because of Maria. And then I got some sweet potato fries and some regular fries because I love fries. Sweet potato fries are my fave. And then okay, I got two of these. This is my favorite thing to make from Trader Joe's. And I buy wonton wrappers from Walmart, and you just get some cream cheese and some chives, chop up the chives, mix it in with the cream cheese. Make your own cream cheese wontons with some chicken lo mein from Trader Joe's. You guys, this is bomb. It is bomb. I love this. So I got two of those. And then I got some barbecue chicken teriyaki. I've never tried this one, but I got it because of Maria. I have tried the Mandarin orange chicken. That one is also pretty bomb. So hold on while I put all of this away really quick. So next thing, I really love these pieces of bread. They're sweet milk rolls. I love sweet things, but I don't like things that are too sweet. For example, my favorite candy is Twizzlers. A lot of people say that tastes like wax. I disagree. I think that's the like perfect amount of sweet for me. So I really like these because they're good to just like throw, like, I don't know, just to snack on in the morning or something really quick. Don't have time to make breakfast. I can just grab a couple of these and eat them. That's what I like to do with them. Then I got some, what are these, multicolored potatoes? Mini melody of potatoes. I just love potatoes in all forms. Then, I'm excited to try these. I didn't know Trader Joe's had corn chowder, so I love corn chowder. It's one of my favorite soups. Next to broccoli and cheddar, I would say those two are my fave, and then pumpkin with creme fraiche in it. Bomb. So I'm really excited to try these because if they're good, this was only like $2. Literally, I will go stock up. I love corn chowder. I got some strawberry applesauce, again, just for like during work or throughout the day. Like if I need a quick snack, I can just like eat one of these. And then I got some onion salt, which was recommended to me by Maria for my, I don't know how they're called, gyros. So there's like a chicken shawarma one, and I'm gonna make it. And if you're curious about it, if I find it, I'll post the TikTok with the directions in the description box so you guys can see it too. Then I got this bag of mini ravioli. I really like these. They have cheese inside of them, and it's super easy to just throw into a pot and boil, and then throw some sauce, and you have some freaking ravioli, and it's pretty bomb. This was only like $2. I love Trader Joe's. If you guys don't shop there, you should definitely shop there. I got some edamame because I actually really like edamame a lot. There's not really a lot of flavor to them, but they do have a lot of iron, which is super good because I have an iron deficiency, so I need to eat things that have a lot of iron in them. I think it's easier to just consume food, and like if I find food that I like that is high in iron, then I feel like I should be fine, and edamame is high in iron. Next thing, my mom used to get these. They changed the packaging on these. I think it's cute, but I got cheese and chicken and cheese enchiladas. They're like $2 a pack. They're really good. Like when I come home from work and if I really don't feel like making something, boom, pop that in the microwave, and then I have a pretty decent dinner. And then, oh, I'm so excited about these sweet corn tamales. Yeah, I'm excited to try these. Oh my God, why can't I talk? Sweet corn tortillas, or oh my God, tamales are my favorite type of tamales, so I'm very excited about that because I had been asking and they told me that they discontinued, so I'm very happy that they have them again. Then I got some English muffins to make sausage egg McMuffins at home. And then I got this pasta. It's super good. I like to cut up or put chicken in it or bratwurst. Bratwursts are so good in a pesto pasta. If you've never had it, try it. I love it. I got some mini pastry bites with feta cheese and caramelized onions because of Maria. She recommended I try these. Oh, and then Maria actually was wanting to try this, and I am gonna try it in a YouTube video so that you guys know how it is as well. It's a French onion mac and cheese, you guys. A French onion mac and cheese. I love French onion soup. So hopefully the French onion mac and cheese is bomb. I feel like it's going to be. But then I got 2 flatbreads. I really love these flatbreads. They're super yummy. They taste like high quality like food. I really love these flatbreads. So if you haven't tried them and you shop at Trader Joe's, you should definitely pick some up because they're literally $2.99 or something like that. I spent $120 on everything that I bought today. Trader Joe's is just bomb, okay? So I got this creamy garlic cucumber tzatziki sauce for my gyro, whatever they're called. And then I got some organic hummus. But yeah, and then I got some pita bread. I got some romaine lettuce. Oh, there's a hair in my eye or something. Yeah, okay. I got some romaine lettuce. These were about $2 a pack. And then probably my favorite thing that Trader Joe's sells is this chicken enchilada here. I like to have this with refried beans, but I actually really love to have it with black beans. I can eat this whole thing by myself. It is bomb. It is bomb, you guys. These are $7 each, but it's pretty much a ready to go meal. And I got 2, so I'm gonna have this 2 times for dinner or lunch this week, whatever. And you just pop them in the microwave or conventional oven. I'm not sure what they're called. Conventional oven or microwave. So, yeah. Then I got their soft pretzels to make. because I heard that they were really good. That is everything that I got at Trader Joe's today, and I hope that maybe you guys are inspired to go get some things that you wouldn't think about getting, or I hope you're inspired to go check out Trader Joe's if you've never been, because Trader Joe's is honestly lit. And they have a really wide variety of things to choose from, and their stuff is really freaking good quality. So I've been eating from Trader Joe's my entire life. I'm sure everybody knows who, what, and why Trader Joe's is around. So, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a thumbs up on this video and click that button down below. Become a member of my squad. Let's be besties, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!